Hi guys, so it is approximately Hi guys, so it's approximately 2 weeks before we're due to leave. We don't have a date yet, but you know, thereabouts the time that we want to be heading off by. So me and Mum went shopping the other day. Because we do quite a lot of hours driving, you know, each day, we get really like bored hungry. All we want to do is eat things. So as you've seen in most of the vlogs, Dad always has spaghetti, which is like pretzel sticks. We sometimes have crisps, but you know, sometimes it just feels, you just start to feel a bit gross because you're just snacking on all these things all day long. So we were thinking of like what sort of healthier snack, we're not really healthy people anyway, but what like healthier snacks could we have on the road. So we went shopping the other day. I've been eating these, which are like little breakfast biscuit bar things in the mornings, because sometimes we don't have breakfast until like later on, so they're quite good to snack on, and they'll be good for the road as well, because obviously they're just in packet, you don't have to do anything. I mean, we've been buying sweets, but you know, I've been eating these, well, we all have really, but I chose these like honey nuts. They'll be good on the road. We also had pistachios, but I think we've eaten all of those now. We've actually nearly eaten all the snacks I'm going to show you. I'm not sure what else I was going to show you really. The raisins, but I ate the raisins. What else did we buy? Oh, I know what I bought. Rice cakes. We did go through a phase of having hummus with like chopped vegetables, so like carrots, cucumber, sometimes pepper if we have it. I think that's it. So that's us we just kind of bought these things to test out, to see whether we enjoy them, and you know, things that would be easy to just get when we're on the road. Because we actually, last time we put this bag, we hung it on the back of one of the front seats, so we didn't have to get into the back to get any of the snacks. We just, you know, that was our snack bag and everything was in there, so we just had to reach over and grab something. So that's very handy because we are foodies and we like to eat. We're in Leroy Merlin.
Leroy Merlin, yeah.
Looking at cardboard boxes.
So we're coming to the end of our stay in Monda, and we're taking Savannah back to UK, which will be our next road trip back up north through various countries. But in the meantime, we've got to get the van packed up and create some more space, because Sarah's got all the uni stuff to come back. So we are looking at tubs and stuff, more tubs. Leroy Merlin is a really good selection of slightly local sort of B&Q, all over France and Spain and nowhere else. But yeah, plenty of them, get most of your stuff. So yeah, a couple of modifications for storage. To
get back on the road next week.
Yeah, next week we should be on the road. So we'll catch up with you later. Bye. So as you saw earlier, we got the storage boxes from Leroy Merlin. Some pretty funky boxes. 1, 2, 3. That size by that size by that size. And the plan is, this bumper is designed to, it slides out and takes like a motorbike or push bikes, whatever, but it can take a lot of weight. So I am going to put some framework such as this, obviously the right length, in here like so, and then these little boys are going to slide in. 1, 2, 3, and then they will get strapped on the back like so, probably off to the other side a little bit, something like that. Hey, groovy. You can chuck some stuff in there, like some things like oil, just little spares and crap, stuff that doesn't need to be secure as such, like as in locked away. Cut the straps on there, frees up lockable space for some savvy stuff going back to the UK. Check the old steering fluid. Should be good. There's a little button on here. Where is it? There. It should just pop up. See that? Pop up. Hopefully it's just a float, but I like to check in there as well. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Checking water levels. Water level chock-a-block with decent screen wash result. That's really helpful. Checking water. Looks good to me. And drop some good measure. That's all plugged in nice. That's that job done. Sorted.
Hi guys, so it's super hot today. I'm currently trying to pack. It's really difficult because obviously I have to bear in mind the weight in the motorhome and obviously space as well. So there's stuff that I want to take back now because obviously I'm going to uni to do my master's, so there's stuff I'm going to need. So it's just kind of, you know, organising what is going to be sent over when and what comes now, and making sure that, you know, things that are coming now aren't too heavy and bulky. There's Mum. Thought that she got lost amongst everything in the motorhome, but she didn't. She's here.
I was hanging out the washing.
So I'm doing box packing now for things that are going to be sent back separately. Hi.
Hi.
It's approximately 5 minutes until departure.
5 minutes till departure.
So let's have a quick look at Nesbit today. Like I said yesterday, it'll probably be a bit of a transformation for what you've last seen, which it is. So everything, well, most of it's all put away apart from that's like my suitcase to travel with, the chairs because we've got stuff in the back box, and just some things that we'll be using along the way. All the nooks and crannies are all tidy, cookies ready to wave at people. Bed, just got bedding for my bed. Everything's put away. This was covered yesterday, but now look at it. Dad went round yesterday and did like brakes and things, didn't you?
Yeah.
So that we don't
fluids, filters,
break
pipes,
down.
belts.
Yeah.
Checked everything, tyres,
So-
brake pipes.
This is our view that we're leaving. I've been living here for 3 years now, so that's been my view every day. Not anymore.
Been ours for a few months.
Yeah.
Be ours again in a couple of months' time probably.
We'll always be back here though.
Yeah, second home.